Hello, my name is Diana Ruth Briscoe, here with David Quigley. David, will you let us know about Alchemical Tarot?
Yes, I was a tarot reader for many, many years. In fact, designed my own tarot deck and did readings for many years out of a more standard concept. But I abandoned my work as a regular tarot reader as soon as I discovered the power of alchemical tarot. Alchemical tarot is not about a reader who looks at the cards and their positions and comes up with an analysis based perhaps upon studying a book or even based on their own intuition. This is more powerful yet, by helping the client go down into trance and talk to the beings within the tarot card, receiving their wisdom, their insight, and going back with them to examine and learn the lessons that these beings have to teach us. The client just doesn't come out with a little advice of the cards or a little picture of their future, but instead a clear bodily sense of the powers which they can call upon to fulfill the vision that brought them to that tarot reading. So when my clients come to me for a tarot reading, they don't expect transformation. They don't expect an ecstatic waves of Kundalini power moving through their bodies, but that's what they get when they become the figures in the tarot, communicate with these figures, learn the spiritual lesson that is there for them. And we'll also learn how to put those meaning of those cards into a specific format. This particular piece is your past. This one is your present. This is your inner fears. This is your outcome. And so each of these cards in the position gives the client a picture from their own inner world of the answer to their question in both the inner and outer worlds. This is called alchemical tarot. And I don't care how many years you've been a reader, or if you've never read tarot cards before, either one of you will be welcome into this class to experience the revolution in reading the cards.
Yes, and I've taken this class and it was so empowering to actually embody the wisdom of each card, becoming that card and receiving the direct experience from my higher self, to really understanding what the cards were rather than a tarot reader just telling me this and that, which doesn't actually bring me any empowerment of understanding them for my own perspective, my own wisdom. So I want to thank you for offering this as a standalone class or as part of the Advanced Psychic Development course, which I recommend since all of these courses go together so beautifully and overlap and interact. And it's in a group supportive environment on Zoom. So thank you so much, David.